Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Murf AI for business videos step by step. So if you want professional AI voiceovers for marketing videos, company presentations, training content, ads, product demos, or social media promotions, yeah, Murf AI can make the whole production process much faster and easier. First, open Murf AI in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create Project to start a new business voiceover project. After selecting a voice, customize the speed, pitch, pauses, and emphasis settings to make the narration sound more natural and polished. Clear pacing is very important for professional business communication. If your business serves international audiences, you can also choose different languages and accents directly inside Murf AI, so this makes multilingual content creation much easier. Now click Preview to listen carefully to the narration before exporting it. Yeah, checking the audio early helps you catch pronunciation mistakes or robotic sounding lines. Once everything sounds good, export the project as an MP3 or video file, depending on your workflow and editing process. After downloading the audio, you can import it into editing apps like Premiere Pro, CapCut, Canva, or After Effects for final production. One quick tip: keep your script simple, clear, and conversational instead of overly technical or robotic. Yeah, natural-sounding business narration usually connects much better with viewers. And that's basically how to use Murf AI for business videos from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to create professional business voiceovers much faster without recording manually every time.